What's up, guys? I got Focus on Blu-ray. This is a good movie. Watch this on Netflix. It's with Will Smith and Mark Wahlberg. But that's why I watch this movie because Mark Wahlberg. But I do like Will Smith too. So yeah, this is a good movie. So Focus on Blu-ray. Here's the front. Here's the small. It is thick. Right now.
As a police cruiser? Okay, so Mittens, who do you think we should hypnotize to help us out with this rescue mission?
Here is the digital code. So I've already getting that, but yeah, it's the front. Spine. And also here's a Blu-ray. Then a DVD. Same thing. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. And subscribe and like. So yeah. The first video of 2025. So yeah.